Welcome to Rathinam International Public School, a place where curiosity meets creativity and every child is empowered to thrive. Our mission is to provide a holistic education that nurtures young minds and fosters a love for learning. Here, we believe in cultivating not just academic excellence but also emotional and social skills that will prepare our students for a bright future. At Rathinam International Public School, each day begins with a warm welcome. As parents walk their children to the gates, our dedicated teachers are there to greet them with smiles and open arms, setting the tone for a day filled with learning, laughter, and growth. At our school, attendance is a fun and engaging activity. Each morning, students pick their own photo and place it in the ink cup, marking their presence with pride. This innovative method empowers children to take responsibility while fostering a sense of ownership and inclusion. Our teachers guide the students through the day planner, ensuring a structured yet flexible approach to learning. This helps students understand what to expect, fostering independence and responsibility from an early age. Circle time is where students gather to share their thoughts, ideas, and stories. It's a moment of connection where each child is encouraged to express themselves, developing both communication skills and confidence. Our carefully designed learning centers provide students with hands-on opportunities to explore and discover. Whether it's building a tower, drawing their imagination, or solving a puzzle, each activity is crafted to stimulate cognitive, social, and emotional growth. Snack time is more than just a break. It's a chance to practice sharing, enjoy nutritious meals, and recharge for the rest of the day's activities. These little moments help shape their understanding of healthy habits and social etiquette. Through theme-based learning, our students dive deep into subjects like science, nature, and the arts. Each theme opens new doors to creativity and inquiry, allowing young minds to explore the world around them with curiosity. Music and movement go hand in hand at Rathinam International Public School. During sing-along and move to the beat time, students find joy in both rhythm and melody as they dance and sing together. It's a celebration of creativity and collaboration through music and movement. Prenumeracy sessions introduce the foundations of counting, patterns, and problem solving, while gross motor activities ensure that students develop the physical strength and coordination they need. Whether it's counting blocks, every skill is nurtured with care. Reading time transports students into new worlds. Through storytelling, we ignite their imagination, building comprehension skills and nurturing a lifelong love for books. As the day comes to a close, students leave with smiles, eager to share their experiences with their parents. At Rathinam International Public School, we ensure that each day is a journey of discovery, growth, and joy, a step toward becoming the leaders of tomorrow. Rathinam International Public School, a nurturing space where every child's potential is realized, one day at a time.